Hey everyone, my name's Colton, and today I'll be setting up the ozone syringe filling system. Before we begin, you will need your oxygen source and ozone generator ready to continue with this setup. If you still need to set up your oxygen source or ozone generator, please watch our videos on how to set those up first. For this setup, you will need the syringe filling system, and I also have a 60 ml syringe to show how it works when operating. The syringe filling system is used to easily fill one or multiple syringes in succession to one another. To begin, you'll attach the syringe filling system to the ozone output of the ozone generator. You'll want to ensure that the off portion on the three-way valve is facing the filter. Now, you'll turn on your oxygen source, set your flow rate, power on your generator, and set your dial to whichever setting you would like. Now, you'll attach the syringe to the filter on the syringe filling system. Once attached, you can now turn the off portion of the three-way valve so that it points directly at the destruct system. The syringe will then fill, and once it's at the volume you're needing, you'll return the off portion towards the syringe facing the filter. You can now take the syringe off and use it, or place it on the table with the tip facing up and fill another syringe if needed. Once you have the syringe or syringes filled, you can then turn off the ozone generator and turn off your oxygen source. Thanks for watching. Check out our other YouTube videos for more information and be sure to follow us on social media. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell for future videos.